San Beda Letran in the finals.
The OGs.
The OGs. Ooh. Now we got the new blood. Lardizabal.
And Aranyo. Ang ganda nung habol na set. Ang laking sugal ng mga ganyang set. Anton, sobrang hirap. At ang ganda rin ng timing ni Lardizabal for that.
John Wayne. Gets it in. Adi. To Berdal. Popped up by Bembem. Himzon na naman. Aranyo. Back row.
Ooh, what a dig by Villados.
Parang nag-teleport.
Oo.
Nasa back row bigla.
Regalo. And Arellano. Namely, Pangilinan ending that regalo with a bang. And it's getting loud in here, Anton. The fans are getting hyped.
I'm wondering why the Letran fans, or are these Arellano fans? Because
Competition, no wonder. He's a big threat para sa Arellano.
Berdal. Down the line for Carl. At
Yes.
eto na. Carl is starting to get pumped up.
Oh, ito na. Onting apoy pa para kay Carl Berdal. Pero Carl this time maximizing the height difference. Kay Aranyo, ang taas ng spiking reach ni Berdal. Kaya naman medyo bukas sa kanya at mas madali ang down the line area.
Now Carl is showing some emotion. Sabi niya, kailangan ng tapusin to.
Oo. Pero aminado din naman na sila. Sinabi nila na mahirap kalaban ang Letran Knights.
Mahina. Malakas.
Oh! Carl Berdal with a twist! That gave me goosebumps, Anton! Did you see the hips?
That was smooth.
Grabe! 4 points already for Carl Berdal. Tinapik lang yung bola pabalik sa court ang Letran. Parang Wiggles, ang lambot.
We gotta come up with a name for that.
Yeah. Nako, Anton, ito mukhang marami tayong kembot na makikita ngayong araw. Ako nang unang bibilang. 1-0. 1 for Carl and 0 for Bembem.
Pag linabas na ulit ni Bembem yung lava walk.
Yan ang
Ayan
gusto
na.
kong makita, Anton.
Ayan ang simula ng tunay na laban.
Ibigay nyo na. Sana may ikot ang magkasabay sila sa harap, no?
Oo. Himzon picks it up. Tayo agad. Uy!
Oh, what a drop!
Regalo!
Wow! Ambrosio playing really smart. Break ball, binigay niya sa setter side yung drop ball niya. Very manipis na drop ball. And then yun nga, nahirapan na ibalik for that first ball. Regalo, Ambrosio, lahat ng play. Credits for him. Puntos para sa Letran.
Sulit yung playo.
Oo.
Nakakatalon agad eh.
Grabe,
Ambrosio.
no? Vertical lang eh. 2-point lead para sa Letran Knights. At mga kapuso, itong kalamangan na ganito, masalas sa mga ganitong laro, sobrang laki.
Berdal na naman.
Oh!
Bounce!
Oh!
And the stare down!
Yes!
On Himzon!
0-2. So, wala pang kembot si Bembem, si Berdal nakadalawa na. Two-man block coverage, no problem for him. Inilag pa kanan. A very tight angle but with a 4-point lead.
Biggest lead
Yeah.
of the match para dito sa
Oh! Regalo, Anton!
Ambrosio. What an impact he has made, Anjo,
Oh,
here in set number 1.
Totoo. At alam natin, game 1, he's been quiet. But game 2, first set pa lang, nagpapakita na ng brilliance. Itong si Ambrosio. Very present inside that court. Alam niya kung tuwing kailan niya napapaluin every regalo.
Gumagawa.
Yes, tama
Katulad
ka
ni
dyan.
Ambrosio.
Tama ka dyan, Anton. It's a good regalo naman this time para sa Arellano.
Kuramen. Ambrosio pops it up.
Bembem.
Eto na!
Oh, what a dig!
Oh, Himzon! Timing!
Chance ball para sa Letran.
Aranyo, back set.
Oh! What a block by AC Ginto! Straight on! No way out para kay Bermido. Lumapag sa mismong kanan paa niya. Look at that block. Look at that timing. Ang ganda ng pag-usap ng dalawang blockers.
Ito naman ang pasa.
Oh!
Kaman tayo, advantage. Saan tayo advantage?
Okay, akin.
Tanda na natin yung sense of urgency para kay Coach Bry.
Aranyo to Bembem.
Yes!
Ayan na.
Ayan na. Kumembot na. 2-1. Kembot counter, Anton.
Ito, gumagawa ako ng resibo.
Wow,
Anjo,
meron nga.
2-1, 2-1. Okay?
That was a good patong plating ngayon.
Yeah, and yung reaction niya after committing that service error, he was very disappointed in
Oo.
himself.
Ooh. Oh, Bem Bem! Yes! Count that! And Beliados, nagreklamo sa ating first referee, kailangan umikot muna si Bem Bem bago gumawa ng ganong kembot.
Tatlo na.
Oo.
3-all na. Berdal and Bembem.
Wow!
Kembot counter.
Oh! Look at that. Bem Bem, very fierce, challenging the two-man block coverage with Arellano Chiefs. Check out, that spike was too powerful for them to control that block.
It's the tiptoe and the bent knee for me.
Is that the trick? Oh, wait! Whoa! Getting spicy! Another kill block point para sa Letra Knights. Aranyo with that look. Oh!
Nahawa na kay Bembem.
Oo, tingnan mo, tumagal eh, oh. Oh! Woo!
So, Himzon at Ambrosio na una para sa mga Letranista, 8 and 6 respectively.
Ooh.
Oh, what a
Regalo.
Adi. Papalo. Oh, teka, magsaset.
Oh! 2 times the charm para kay Veliados. Parehas na fake set eh. Fake set. Ito kasi yung threat kay Veliados eh. Kaya niyang paluin yung mga ganung bola. Pero the unselfishness giving away para sa kanyang teammate right in the middle. Wow. And great connection as well for Veliados and Panginoon.
Realms. We are here in Midgard. Midgard. Himzon.
Single block.
Oh!
Uy,
No
familiar
look.
yung mga ganong play ah. Kilala mo kung kanino galing yon?
Kanino?
Kay Rexental yun eh.
Oh.
Signature play niya yung ganon.
And I feel like Rexental can do it even while holding a cell phone.
Oh yeah.
While taking a selfie in the air.
And holding a paintbrush as well.
Oh yeah.
Grab
Grabe.
paints eh.
That guy's got skills.
Uh-huh.
That guy's got skills.
Oh, na drop ball kaling kay Vince Simpson. Iba talaga. Pag high flyer! And speaking of the high flyer, AC Ginto on that open area. Single block coverage. A big no-no for AC. Bomba! Boom, no block pala. Grabing regalo yun. Kung ako yung bola, umaray ako. Pag ganun yung palo.
Napunta sa pep squad yung bola eh.
Oo. Sana pwedeng ganun. Iuwi mo na lang yung bola na pag ikaw nakakuha. And a big block. Para naman sa Arellano this time. Blocking Bem Bem Bautista on that open area. Veliados and Curamen connecting on that net. With the woo. Woo.
Nakuha yung Arellano crowd as they are down
By one.
by just one.
Oh! Ouch! Aray ko, ako'y nasaktan sa block na yun, Anton. Single block coverage. But wait, there's a commotion in the net with our second referee and the Arellano Chiefs. Oh yes, point still goes sa side ng Arellano. Single block coverage para kay AC Ginto. Warning lang, medyo umiinit kasi eh. Umiinit eh.
AC Ginto, what a season, overcoming Bell's palsy. And now, overcoming the power of Pangilinan.
Grabe yun. Ang lutong. Now we're tied at 12. What a serve! And the lead now goes to the side of Arellano with that regalo para kay Veliados. Tipping it over sa side ng Letran at walang depensang present para sa Letran. Ito na ang momentum changer, Anton.
Lamang na Arellano, it is a 4-0 run.
Wow, kabaligtaran kanina ng first set.
Nakahabol. Naunahan na ng Arellano, itong Letran. And now they can build
What a
on a
lead.
lead. AC!
AC Ginto going down the line. Kanina pa yung tinatarget to. Alam natin na ito yung isa sa pinaka-tinatarget ng area. Hindi mo pwedeng buksan yung area para kay AC. AC Ginto. Not too powerful of a spike, but knowing where to put it. Easy work for AC.
7 points. And a double high five from Coach Aranyo. Running attack. Oh,
Carl
Berdal.
Berdal.
Sabi, easy, too easy. Masyado madali yun para kay Carl. On the drop.
Ito na yung backline. Another dig by Carl. Ilista mo yun sa Kembot, Anton.
Okay, okay.
Oh, what a rally! Bermido! Ending that wrong, Larry. This time with a shout. Carl Berdal. Pointing, Bermido. Nakita niya kasi yung sigaw eh. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Bermido ending that long rally para sa Letran. Ending that run of that Arellano Chiefs. Ang dami ng warnings na ibinibigay ng ating referees at thank God, wala pang...
Kalmado lang si Moy, oh. Kahit yung 6 feet Arellano Chief squad nasa likod niya.
Oh! Bilyados, 2-hand drop ball. Grabe yun, iba talaga advantage kapag matangkad ka na setter at mas lalo kapag frontline ka pa. Look at that drop, parang dinang Anton. Ooh. Woo! That was too quick.
Lamang na naman ng Arellano. One-handed set.
Berdal. Oh! Oh, Bembem! Bembem says no para kay Carl Berdal.
At may flex pa. Renes Bacan si Bembem.
Lista natin, Anton. Huwag natin kalimutan natin.
For all.
For all ang ating Kembot counter. What a block coverage galing kay Lardy Zabal and a no gesture galing kay Bembem Bautista.
Villados. AC.
Wow! AC Ginto, single back coverage. No. And yes for AC. First substitution sa side ng Arellano, Anton.
A rookie. Wayne.
Catareya.
Yep, Catareya is in. Rookie.
Yeah. First substitution for this match para sa side ng Arellano.
Wayne gets it in. Himzon on the drop. Picked up by AC. AC.
Wow.
Binuhay
so
ni
good.
Wayne.
Bembem.
Oh!
Ang tagal nun tingin ni Bembem. Good adjustment. Ang ganda rin nung iwas sa blockers. Gandang iwas nun mga kay Bembem. Pinilit niya deep cross court kahit andun na yung blockers.
Eto na ba?
Gandang kabig nun, grabe.
Tuloy-tuloy na ba? Para kay Bembem Bautista.
Another successful running attack para sa side ng Arellano. This time, Kuramen. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina first set. Single block coverage lang ibinibigay ng Letran kapag nagbibigay ng running set play. Itong si Villados kung kanino mang spike a middle blocker ng Arellano, making it harder for them. Sinusugal nila sa floor defense.
Lardy Zabal.
Bad receive.
Arellano can get the set point here. Ginto
with the drop! Ginto, very smart player. Not all power, but he has that wit. Dropping it sa likod ng blockers ng Letran. No one's there to get that first ball. What a drop ball galing kay AC. Set point para sa Arellano.
Aranyo.
Bermido.
Nailusot
Still
pa yun.
alive. Nailusot sa dalawang blockers ng Arellano.
And the first apology. Nag-sorry si Bermido.
Tama. Very crucial serve for him para sa Letran Knights.
Villados. AC.
And AC getting that point and getting that set for the Arellano Chiefs. Full of confidence right now.
6 points today. Sumagaysay. Ambrosio. Oh!
Let's see kung anong adjustment gagawin ng Ambrosio. Pinalo pa rin. Wow!
Oh!
Quick set in the middle. Villados and Pangilinan connecting once again. The blockers were there but that was too late dahil ang bilis pinalo ni Pangilinan. Yung quick set na yon mula kay Villados. Puntos para sa Arellano.
Arellano.
Bermido as well.
Oo, 4 na
Starters eh.
Berdal. Check out.
Check out para kay Carl Berdal. At nakita ko, ayan, may tinatantos ka dyan eh. All 6. Berdal with that check out. Successful over Vicente. Puntos again para kay Carl. Ooh, with a look back.
The immaculate twirl by Carl Justin Berdal.
Immaculate twirl. Parang Sunday lang eh, no? Sarap i-order nun ah. What a serve.
Berdal na naman.
Oh, not this time. Carl is blocked. Lordizabal El Aranio connecting at the net. Blocking Carl Berdal on that open area. Gandang timing ni Lordizabal. Ang taas din. Roofed. Big shout.
Ayan na si Vince. Nagbabalik na sa ating laro.
Oh, isa-isa na binabalik yung starters ng Letran. Bermido is back in alongside Aranio.
Bem-bem na lang ang kulang. Berdal.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Wow!
Oh! Oh! Berdal! Nagising! Taunting Aranio! Sabi niyan, niliprid ko lang naman eh. O ano? Ano? Dinab ko lang. Grabe, Carl Berdal.
That's gonna be a meme right there. That's gonna be a legend.
Lamang ng 7 ang Arellano.
Ito yung pasa. Ito yung set ni Adi. Running attack. Picked up by Bermido. Aranio. Back row. Ambrosio. Popped up by Villados. Ito na si AC. Ball is back in the air.
Oh! Quick drop by Kuramen once again. Very effective. Break ball. Fast transition plays. Villados always looking for his quickers. This time, napunta na naman kay Kuramen. Quick drop ball. Udos para sa Arellano. Inching closer to get the set.
Villados. A grandmaster. Putting on a masterclass in setting today here in Game 2. Pumalo si Aranio.
Okay.
Berdal. Aranio.
Bem.
Bautista.
Oh,
Oh!
what a dig!
What a pickup right there.
Oh, and Carl Berdal! Anton! Great adjustment! Ang tapang pinalo niya yung break ball at solid pa rin yung spike na output galing kay Carl Berdal. That was a hard spike. Pumawewang pa.
Beast mode. Berdal, 11
Yes.
points.
May pamewang pa.
8. Wala.
Kung gusto na lang extend to into a 5th set.
Medyo matamlay ngayon ang Letran. Berdal. Bustillo. Villados. Back to Carl.
Oh, good dig by Ambrosio.
Oh. Pangilinan versus Aranio. Berdal na naman.
Wow! Yes, Carl! Work it! Our graduating player leaving a very nice legacy para sa Arellano squad. Berdal powering it over sa 2-man block coverage ng Letran. Cross court with the flick of the head. And Coach Brian Vitog. Good serve.
Himzon. Oh, an awkward tip to the other side.
Yeah, medyo napilit yung set na yun.
Villados.
And that was outside. Galing kay Pangilinan. Medyo nang gigil. And Carl Berdal asking for the set.
Cristiano Ambrosio now serving.
20-15. Ambrosio serving. Good serve.
Villados to Carl.
Carl
50.
Berdal feeling it right now. The destiny and the legacy on his shoulders para sa Arellano. Carl Berdal. 2-man block coverage. Lakas ng braso ni Carl Berdal. Soaring high for that set.
He wants to be immortalized.
Yes.
The name Carl Justin
Regalo!
Berdal.
Berdal! Is that the dagger? Wow!
Sasabihin ko na, Carl Justin Berdal with this move right here is now GOATed.
He really this? Wow! The exclamation point and a service ace for Viliados. 23 to 15. 2 points away. 16 years in the making, Anton. And I know Coach Brian Vitug,
Humihirit na.
he can feel it right now. The whole Arellano crowd feels it right now.
Uwian na.
Uwihan na sinisigaw. Viliados serving.
2 points away. Himzon.
Oh! An error for Vince Simpson. Now a point away for getting that title. Arellano, 16 years in the making.
Championship point for the Chiefs.
Wow!
Carl Berdal is in tears. Carl Berdal
Yes.
is getting emotional right now, and I'm getting goosebumps.
Yes!
Aranyo. Bautista. Not yet.
Yes.
Bautista.
That was in for Bemen Bautista. Ooh.
I would love to see Adi Villados set the ball up to Berdal, but
Serving.
let's see. Nasa back row ngayon si Carl.
Let's see. Good receive.
Wait, binigay dito kay
Oh,
Sinuto.
wait. That was a kill block point by Bautista and Lardizabal. Tingnan natin kung sinong tatapos. At sinong kukuha ng championship point para sa Arellano.
Carl Berdal. Tears already rolling
Vince
down
Simpson.
his cheeks. Villados.
And Pangilinan ending the match. Arellano wins this championship after 16 years.
How sweet it is.
Sweet 16 for the Arellano Chiefs. NCAA Season 100 Men's Volleyball Champions. Coach Brian Vitug in tears.
Carl Berdal on the floor.
What a legacy for Carl Berdal and Viliados, exiting the team with a championship ring for the Arellano Chiefs.
You never forget your first. And this moment will forever be remembered as history was made today in the men's volleyball tournament with Arellano capturing their first ever NCAA men's volleyball championship.
Wow.